𝐌𝐀𝐍𝐓𝐈𝐒𝐒𝐀 is the spin-off company of the ICCS Research Institute, one of the biggest research institutes in Greece. And our company has been founded in the end of 2020, and it targets innovative solutions for supporting digitization in transport, logistics, and manufacturing verticals. The warehouse management system generates paper orders handed to the warehouse personnel to perform picking, counting, distribution, etc. So these flows are quite prone to human errors and delays. So our solution includes a voice picking system to shift from paper-based order management to completely hands-free operations, as well as an AI-based module that optimizes the warehouse inventory that colleagues from 𝐌𝐀𝐍𝐓𝐈𝐒𝐒𝐀 will elaborate more. It is deployed on a smartphone and headset and supports warehouse staff input to store and pick up operations. Through this engagement, we gained invaluable insights and guidance in key areas, particularly in refining our business model, formulating an early adopter strategy, and establishing a compelling market as well as an IP strategy.
𝐌𝐀𝐍𝐓𝐈𝐒𝐒𝐀 is a boutique consulting company headquartered in Italy, whose mission is to help other companies create value out of data. On our side, 𝐌𝐀𝐍𝐓𝐈𝐒𝐀, what we are providing is an artificial intelligence copilot for optimizing supply chain management. Our solution is able to support all the operational aspects related to ensuring that there is a sufficient amount of stocks for every relevant article in the warehouse, keeping a balance between avoiding stockouts and minimizing the financial exposure, which is of course related to maintaining assets in a company warehouse. First of all, I really believe that successful business builds upon successful human-to-human interaction. And I think this is exactly what we had in this project.
We produce and distribute abrasives products worldwide under our own brand or OEM. The application of our products is mainly in metalworking, but we still have a stone, glass, and wood working area. A few months before we joined the Mind4Machines project, we invested in increasing the surface of our warehouse and changing processes and tools to become more efficient. In particular, we had the chance to change the layout and picking system to reduce the inefficiencies, shortening the picking route, reducing handling and waiting times. So we decided to introduce barcodes, and we bought a forklift specially meant for picking to substitute trolleys and walking through the shelf of our actual warehouse. We will introduce a voice picking system that will help the operator with instruction, both to find easily what he has to pick and to confirm when the operation is complete, so that it does not have to need to constantly check the monitor or the paper of the order is preparing.